Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Windows 11 in VMware Workstation. After that, I will guide you through setting up and installing Windows 11 inside VMware Workstation step by step. Now let's get started. We will download the Windows 11 ISO file. Go to Google and search for Windows 11 ISO. You will see the official link from Microsoft.com. Click on it to open the page. Once the page opens, scroll down until you see Download Windows 11 Disk Image, ISO. Microsoft also mentions here that this file can be used to create a virtual machine, which is exactly what we need. Now click on the drop-down menu, select Windows 11, and then click on the Confirm button. Next, choose your language. Select English, and then click Confirm. After that, you will see the option to download Windows 11 for English 64-bit. Click on it, and then click Save. The download size is about 7.2 gigabytes, so it may take some time depending on your internet speed. Just be patient until the download finishes. Open VMware. Click on Create a new virtual machine and select Custom. Leave the settings as default and click Next. Choose I will install the operating system later. Then click Next. Select Microsoft Windows and choose Windows 11 as the version. Click Next. Now, enter a name for your virtual machine. This is also where the Windows files will be stored. You can change the location if you want, but leaving it as default is fine. Click Next. Enter a password. Make sure it is at least 8 characters long, then click Next. For firmware, UEFI is already selected, so just click Next. Now choose the number of processors. 2 processors are enough, but if your system supports it, you can select 4 or 6 processors for better performance. Click Next. Next is the memory RAM. 4 gigabytes is enough to run Windows 11, but if you have more RAM, you can increase it. Click Next. Leave the network type as default and click Next. Click Next again for the remaining default settings. Now, set the disk size. 64 gigabytes is recommended for Windows 11. Select Store Virtual Disk as a single file, then click Next. Finally, click Finish. Your virtual machine is now ready for Windows 11 installation. Now click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. Go to CD or DVD, select Use ISO image file, and click Browse. Locate your Windows 11 ISO file and select it. Once everything is set, click OK. Now click on Power On Virtual Machine. When the screen appears, press any key, or simply press Enter. If you get an error, don't worry. Just power off the virtual machine and start again. Make sure you left-click inside the virtual machine screen to activate it. Then press Enter 2 or 3 times until it starts properly. Now, the Windows setup will begin. Select your language, then click Next. Click Install now. Accept the terms and click Next. If you have a product key, enter it. If not, click I don't have a product key. Select your Windows edition, such as Windows 11 Home or Pro, then click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next again. Select the available disk, which is 64 gigabytes, and click Next. At this stage, you can go ahead and create multiple partitions for your hard disk if you want. If not, you can simply proceed with the default setup. Now the installation will begin. This process may take some time, and your system will restart several times. Please be patient until it finishes. Now select your country and keyboard layout, then continue. If you are asked to connect to the internet and you don't have access, don't worry. Press Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. Type the following command: OOB/bypercent-RO. Then press Enter. The system will restart. After that, you will see the option to continue without internet. Now enter your username and password, confirm it, and answer the security questions. Accept the settings, and the setup will complete. Now your Windows 11 desktop is ready. Now, go to the View menu at the top and click on Full Screen. You will notice that the full screen may not work properly. To fix this, we need to install VMware tools. To fix this, go to the top menu, click on VM, and select Install VMware Tools. Your VMware Tools is currently downloading. Once the download is complete, you will see a pop-up notification on your desktop. Open this PC, then open the DVD drive. Double-click the installer, click Yes. Then select Typical. Click Next, then click Install. Please be patient and give it a few seconds to complete. Once it finishes, your virtual machine will support full screen mode. Once it's done, click Finish, and then restart your virtual machine. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more useful content like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.